Okay, a simple one today. So we're going to take this apart. So this is a Kingston SSD. Let's see, the exact model is there. SA. Right. So I want to go into the finer details, right? A lot of people now have been taking this apart, but nobody has really gone into what you need and what you get out of it, right? So if you look at the screws on top, right, this is a security tox, right? So we will need, let's see, this is a security T6, right? So you need a security T6. There's a slight dimple in the bit, right? And this will allow you to get this out. You have to press down pretty hard. Right? So you take all four off. And it just comes apart, right? So that just falls apart, and you just left with this tiny PCB, right? So it's super small, and I one grab I feel what other people have not done is discussing, well, this form factor. So as far as I know, this is by no means a standard form factor, right? So I just look at what we have on the label, if that's going to be useful to anybody, right? But anyhow, what I want to do is just measure its exact dimension as well. So got here a set of calipers, not digital ones unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to read it. Let's see, that is 6.3, yep, 6.3 centimeters. Let's not include the jack, so we'll just take, okay, no, you know what, let's include the head as well. That is 2.74 millimeters, right? So that's that. So if you ever need to use this, right, like save space, that's one definitely. And say that if you're stuffing this into a mini PC or something where you have SATA connector, plugging this in would definitely have better airflow. So yeah.